company is Added Dimension. It is a community engagement firm that's based in St. Louis. I opened it in 2005, primarily on paper. I spent the first couple of years just really trying to get a handle on writing my business plan and how to operate a business as a new, DBE firm. And then someone had suggested to me that I go and I talk to MoDOT and I, become certified, a DBE, firm certified with the state of Missouri to assist on transportation projects. And when I went to see their supportive services, they were helpful. I mean, fill out the application is kind of overwhelming because they ask you for a lot of information. And what supportive services did is that they walked me through the process. They helped me one-on-one, met with me, answered any questions, was available to help me go through the process of actually completing the application and understanding what I needed to submit. So they provided that guidance that kind of made me feel really comfortable in submitting some of the information because I had never done it before. They also, understanding their whole bid letting process, how to get on teams, they also provided assistance with that as well. And they also shared with me potential opportunities. I got emails that say, hey, this firm might be looking for someone that can use your services, and so here's what you could possibly do. So that's one of the things that, MoDOT Support Service has been very helpful in helping me begin to make some connections and do some matching with some of the other bigger firms that might need a small firm like me to provide some assistance for them. So my experience has been wonderful with them in terms of them really working with you. And even though I did have my certification, that doesn't stop there. They're actually really call the check to see how things are going, how things are moving, for me, am I finding opportunities? And those are things that, they've done. So it's been a great experience for me.